So, maayong buntag sa tanan, no? Today, I will be presenting to you the philosophy of management of my chosen enterprise, which is the La Tagaw Coffee and Refreshment. So, if you wonder why it's La Tagaw, meaning to say, as I talk to the owner, so meaning the ana niya is Laag Tagaw. So, it's a Visayan term in which let's stroll together in English. But anyway, let me bring you to what this particular enterprise is all about. This is situated at the Poblacion, Quezon, Bukidnon, and it is managed by Ms. Arlene Postrano from Quezon, Bukidnon. So about the products and services of Latagaw, they offer coffee. They also have smoothies, iced coffee, flavored soda, and refreshment. So Latagaw um, operated since 2022, and until now they have and up to now they have three branches within the municipality. So as to the philosophy of planning, Latagaw focus on different areas. We have the customer satisfaction. They also focus on the quality products, affordable pricing, market needs, and continuous improvement. So basically, the target market, since in Quezon Bukidnon we have over, I think we have 13 senior high school and one university and one private college. So basically, medyo daghan og estudyante, and they focus more on the target customers are the students, and with that, so they focus also on affordable pricing. As to the philosophy behind organizing, Latagaw concentrates on team coordination, clear work roles, efficient operation, clear workplace and service or organization. So basically, no, Latagaw emphasizes the proper arrangement of tasks, materials, and responsibilities. The efficient teamwork allows the cafe to provide a faster and better service to the customers. As to the philosophy behind leadership, Ms. Pustrano is very much focused onto customer leadership, customer focused leadership, employee support innovation, commitment, and positive environment. So, with this, as a local entrepreneur, Miss Arlene Pustrano, leadership reflects a dedication in building and welcoming business. Effective leadership helps employees maintain product quality and good customers relationship. As to the philosophy behind controlling people and resources, Latagaw focus on the quality control, cost management, resource efficiency, customers' feedback, and consistency. When I talked to Miss Arlene, she really told me that they are very much particular on the customers' feedback because we all know that customers are the backbone of the business. So basically, they are into hearing the comments and suggestions of their clients. So with this, how do I rate the management of this enterprise? I identified four. They have this excellent local management. The customers oriented approach is very, very commendable. The quality of product focus, of course, we all know, knowing that they have three branches within the municipality, that's something that says something. And of course, the efficient small business operation. They started 2023, and I can really attest that they're having good in terms of how the business operates. Now, my insight of this management philosophy, a good management philosophy is not about earning profit, but it also about creating values to customers and the entire community. The Latagao shows that successful business need quality, it needs commitment and continuous improvement. Effective management helps small enterprise grow and build a strong relationship with customers. I think that would be all. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.